Good morning, YouTube. It's Joe. Today is Wednesday, February 24th, 2021. In this video, I'm going to be doing some vacuuming of some insure mats here, so I'm going to flip it around and show you what we're doing. YouTube, so I'm here in a janitorial account here in Crestwood, Kentucky, and we're going to be vacuuming off the insure mats here where they, drug in some salt. So we're going to do this one, and there's one more that we're going to do. So we'll walk down here and I'll show you this one as well. But this account, they're going to have an event this morning, so we're going to go through and just make it look good for them before everybody gets in this morning. So I'm going to go through and vacuum this one off as well. So let's get started here. YouTube, so I got this vacuumed up. There is a couple spots there, and there's one here where they've drug in, it's like residue from the salt maybe or whatever, but we did get it all vacuumed off. And up there where the floor is, and I'll move that door stop there, but up there where the floor is, where the hard floor is, you can use this vacuum here, and it's got a dual motor on it, so if you flip it backwards, it's just the brush. Just the suction of the vacuum. Now if you flip it the other way and you let down the handle, it'll start running the brush. So if you flip it backwards, it's just brush. So I'll show you here. You can tell right there, it's just the brush. Just the vacuum, just the vacuum part, the vacuum side. Sorry about that. But if you flip it over the other way, now you hear the brushes kick in. In the middle is off, but if you flip it backwards, it's got that it's just suction. It's what they call a dual motor vacuum. So one motor runs the vacuum and one motor runs the brush. So and I just want to show that to you, because if you want to be careful when you get to the edges of these. If you got a single stage motor, it will mess up some of these rugs, because the brush will grab it and try to eat it. So this is Joe, and we're going to move to the next one here. So I just want to show that to you. So thanks for watching. I'm going to move to the next one and show you that one as well. Alrighty, YouTube, so we got that vacuumed off as well, so they look good. And that's a good thing about entry mats. If you leave them, if you put them at your doors, they will, you know, like that one, like the entry mats, they will grab the salt, and then you won't have to spend as much labor. Sometimes it don't work that way, you know, especially if there's a lot of salt outside. But normally, if you put an entry mat out, it will grab some of that salt. You've seen how much salt was on that. And there's probably a little bit of salt on here, which I'll go through today, and I'll dust mop this off real quick before they come in. But you know, salt will really do a number on your floors if you don't leave these entry mats there. So that's why they got entry mats there. So you know, just want to keep them looking good. So but it will save your hard floors, you know, if you got hard floors in your facility. So this is Joe, and hope you liked the video. If you do like the video, hit the like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching. This is Joe, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a great day.